Alright guys, so if this one doesn't work, we're just going to change out the motor. So
here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Yeah. See it up there?
Woo-hoo!
I see it.
Parachute.
Straight down.
Where's it at?
It's right there.
Right there.
Oh! Good God.
I don't even know if I have it.
Hope it don't land on the roof.
Where?
I saw it.
In the woods.
I saw it.
Yep.
Right here.
See some cool solar panels? Pretty rad, huh? Yeah.
That was awesome. Alright guys, so that was that. Got the nose cone, the string, parachute, all the recovery waddings out. Still some gas in there. But yeah,
All right.
that was awesome.
Yeah, man.
By the way, if you don't know what these things smell like, I'm out of breath.
Rotten eggs.
Yeah. Sulfur times 10.